Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Yes, again I was missing from the scene and I'm very sorry for that. I had some family issues, but now I am back again with a bang. And yes, I have come out with a beautiful, delicious, guess what? Yes, already the name is written. Keto Eggless Waffles. Yes, waffles, and that even eggless, and that even a very easy one. Nothing like it. It's so easy that anybody, anytime you can prepare it. It is basically 2 ingredients are required, and the other ingredients you can add because those are common ingredients. So here comes a keto eggless waffle. Without waiting, I am going to start. But before that, I want to share one more thing. These eggless waffles are made of isolate whey protein powder. So what happens? It has a tendency to give that dry feeling in your mouth. So as a result, I have added a little extra oil into it. You can add some extra cream into it and you can enjoy these waffles. They are simply delicious and simply tasty. So let's begin with it. So for this awesome waffle, that is your eggless keto waffle, I am going to use the desiccated coconut powder. Yes, you can use the coconut flour and or you can use the almond flour even if you are going to ask me. But if you are adding the almond flour, the liquid portion will decrease. Here I am adding the main hero of the eggless waffle. Yes, I am adding the isolate whey powder. That is the powder which helps in binding of the keto eggless waffle. That is, it helps in retaining its shape. That is the hero of the dish. I have used the strawberry flavored. You can use any flavor of isolate you have. If you have the unflavored, then you have to add a little bit of stevia more and some essence like your vanilla extract or banana extract, whatever flavor you like, you can add that even to this waffle. So now I am adding some baking powder goes into it, some baking soda goes into it, and give it a magic mix. So just give a magic mix, and this powder, yes, this is your instant mix of the waffle, keto waffles, which you can make and keep it aside. Whenever you want to have waffle, just mix some liquid into it, that is the wet ingredients into it, and your waffles batter would be ready. Here I am adding oil into it, and you must be asking how much oil I am adding. Yes, because isolate whey, when you make anything out of it, it has a tendency to make the dish dry. Even if you make a cake out of it, it becomes dry. So adding some oil adds more creaminess and it gives the softness to my waffle. Here I am adding some buttermilk, which will also help in forming the batter. So now you must be thinking, my batter is the consistency is so thin, but don't worry, the desiccated coconut will absorb the water of the buttermilk slowly. It will absorb the buttermilk slowly and steadily. See how it is thickening up. But if you are using almond flour, then use a little less quantity of buttermilk, because almond flour doesn't swell up in that way as the desiccated coconut or the coconut flour does. I'm just tasting it, so yum. Please forgive me for that, but I really wanted to taste it. My mouth is watering. Here I'm adding some stevia sugar-free drops into it. You can add powdered form of sugar-free even, and I'm going to give it a magic mix. Just mix it and my batter would slowly thicken up. Yes, so I'm going to just rest it for few minutes and after a few minutes, can you see how it has thickened up? My batter is done. Perfect. This batter you can store it also, but I would prefer making an instant batter, that is the wet ingredients you add when you want to have the waffles. You can make the dry ingredients, mix it up and keep it aside in a bottle or in a, in an airtight container, and see, perfect. The color is so lovely, strawberries. Here I am heating a waffle maker. I have made a recipe of a savory eggless waffle, that is the keto version, about 2 years back. You can check it out. I have put in a link over it also. You can check the link. But that I had made in a silicone waffle maker, since I didn't have the normal waffle maker, that is the electric one. So now I have just greasing the waffle maker with good quantity of oil. Yes, on keto I can drizzle a lot of oil, have lots of fats. I realized one thing, we don't drink so much of fat as people think. On keto you have lots of fat. Now see, this is the perfect consistency I require, and now I am going to drop a little portion of this. Yes, it won't fill up the full, I am not going to fill the full waffle maker. Why? Because this is quite a heavy, you feel, because of the isolate way, the waffle actually fills your tummy very fast, you can say. So I am just covering it up and I am going to let it cook for few minutes. Now just toss and turn and it will be done within 7 to 8 minutes. See, my waffle is almost done. You can make any waffle. If you have chocolate flavor, make with the chocolate flavor. If you have the unflavored way, use the unflavored way and add whatever flavor you want. And see, my waffles, they look so lovely. Yes, it hasn't taken the proper shape, I told you, because I'm not filling up the whole area, because it's quite heavy and I want to have hot waffles. So I have made this shape only. And here I'm drizzling some strawberry puree, which is homemade. Simply I've crushed the strawberry puree in a mixer, added some stevia sugar free into it and some red color and just boiled it. Yes, simply nothing else. See, doesn't it look lovely? This is the perfect puree I use for the waffles. This you can store it in the fridge even, and you can devour it. I forgot to shoot the video of tasting, but I would like to tell you that it tasted awesome and it's quite filling. In fact, half a portion of the waffle is perfect for a person. This is what I found. Eating the whole waffle is not easy. It is quite heavy, and don't lessen your fats in it, because otherwise you would feel the dryness of that isolate protein. Whenever isolate protein is being cooked, it gives dryness to the portion. So it is better to add lots of oils and fats in it, so that you can overcome that dryness of the isolate way. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this keto eggless waffles, which are very easy to prepare and also yummy. And don't forget to like and comment on my channel and do subscribe, because your subscription makes me happy and motivates me to come out with more new recipes. Thank you.